Come up out the world, give me the answer. The day of the Lord coming so unexpected. I pray the Abba, I pray we make it through the tribulation.
My shield and my buckler.
Keeping these commandments that we have.
My shield and my buckler.
Faith in Messiah is the only way. I'm watching what I do, watching what I say. What manner of person I be up in that day. I don't want the Father to look at me be like little
My shield and my
you knew I was coming while you toyed with that. If I don't spit angels,
their hee-hees and ha-has in this season shall turn into boo-hoos and bye-byes, says the Lord. Their hee-hees and ha-has and the pointing of the finger with the winking of the eyes shall turn into boo-hoos and bye-byes.
Keep my spurs up. Every Shabbat call Mikael. Let that time Mikael will stand for me. Watch the Father protect you, gon' land on trouble. It's about to feel like we
He's my shield and my buckler.
You know that we chosen, but we stand humble. 2020, I'll be talking louder, I'll be humble. Born in our hands, Babylon from. We come back to the Father, Babylon from. He gon' give us everything that's coming in the money. If you in the secret place, be covered like
He's my shield and my buckler.
Hey, glory be to God. I brought them down, says the Lord. I struck them down, says the Lord. I've seen Satan fall like lightning, says the Lord. Their hee-hees and their ha-has have turned into boo-hoos and bye-byes, says the Lord.
He's my shield and my